Hello everybody, welcome to Snap Programming. In this short video I will show you how to save, open, export, import and share Snap programs. So let us start it with a very simple Snap program. So on the screen you see there is a very simple program. To this program we will draw a simple square. Okay, so as you see this program is not saved, or maybe it has been saved as untitled. So first I will show you how to save it. So click on the here this icon menu, then click on save as. Then you see there are two options to save here. Okay, one in cloud and another in browser. Browser means you will save your program in your local computer, and cloud means you will save your program on the cloud. So there are some differences and advantages and disadvantages over each other. So like for the browser, if you are saving the browser, your program will be saved in this computer, and if you save in the cloud, then your program will be saved in the cloud. So if you to save, let us start with saving this program in browser first. Okay, so select in browser, then click on the here and then type like a square. So give the name a square and then save. So you see the program has been saved as a square. Okay, so now if I want to save it in the cloud, then I have to select cloud. So but before that, remember that if I want to save it in the cloud, I need to create a cloud account first. Okay, so as you see that I have already created cloud account for Snap, but I will show you how to create cloud. So I will log out from this system. You see that it shows disconnected. So now there are three options: log in, sign up and reset password. The sign up for the new user. So if you do not have a cloud account, so then you will type in your username, your date of birth, and then year and your email address, and then you should read the terms and services and policy, and then you have to check here, and then you have to click OK. Then your account will be created. I already have an account created, so I'm not going to show you how to create, but it's pretty simple. You should do it. You should be able to do it very quickly. Okay, so then I will show you how to sign in. Okay, log in or sign in. So log in, then I will click here, and then I have my username that I already used, and then I will click here and I will give my password, and then I will click on stay signed in this computer until logging out. So I will click on here. So you see now connected. Okay, now if I click here, you see the log out Mokhtar is my username. So that means if you see this, that means I am already logged in. Okay, so now I will save this program in the cloud. So then again I will go to save as. Remember please, I have to go to save as. Okay, then I have to click, you see, cloud. Okay, cloud, to save in the cloud. You see already I have some programs already saved in my clouds. Okay, you see some of the programs they are bold, and some of the programs these are program file name. Some of these are not bold. So I will tell you that the reason why these are bold or not bold. Okay, so then I will click here. I can give a different name, or I can use the same name. Okay, let us use the same name. Okay, so then I will select, I don't need to select here, so but I will select cloud, and then I will click on save. Okay, you see this program saving a project to cloud. You see here. Okay, it's saved. Okay, now if I want to share this project, again I have to go to save as. Okay, then I have to go to cloud. What you have to remember that I saved my file as a square name. So then to share, remember please, I have to select the program again. Without select it will not work, remember please. Then I have to select the program again, then I have to click on share. Okay, then it's asking, are you sure you want to publish your program name, my program name here? I would definitely click yes. Okay, then you see, then it is shared and then it becomes bold. That means the programs I have, the file names I have bold or black here, these are already shared in my account. Okay, so now I can unshare it, or I can already it is shared, so or I can delete it, but I don't like to delete it, but I don't like to unshare it, but I want to share it. Okay, so already it has been shared, so then I need to cancel this. Okay, so now you see there's a big name here, right? There's a big name on the screen here, right? So you don't worry. So what you can do, so that easily if you open another new program or some other program, so project new one, yes. So as you know, on the snap screen at a certain time only one program will be open, right? So then if you now open your program, okay, then you have to go to cloud, and you see this is bold, that means I shared it already. You see, look at on the address bar, I have a different file name, right? So but I will select this program and I will open it up. So you see, then I got my program and I got a nice name here. So if you please give an attention to this file name, you will see that this is the snap.berkeley.edu, the snap source /snap.html. Most important that here is a username is the username is my username, and the project name is the a square. That means I save this project or file as a square name. Okay, now you can copy and paste this address to send it to anyone. Like if you like to open this program on another screen, another window, then it will open up. Or you can just copy and paste this URL to anyone, to your instructor or your student or someone else. You see, when you open up it actually is showing the output of the program. But what you will do, if you want to see the source, then you will click here. Okay, so this is the way that I showed you how to save your program on cloud, and I already showed you how to save your program on browser. If you select on browser, then your program will be select in your browser, right? Okay, so there is another way that I wanted to show you how to export and import, right? How to export and import project. So first I have to export it. Okay, so export means like saving this file as XML. You see, once I click on my program, is very quickly. So let's go to this menu and then click on export project. Okay, then it shows the data XML file. It will be saved as XML. Then click here. You see, there is something maybe meaningful, or something, most other things are meaningless. Don't worry about this, but go to the file name in the icon here, address bar here. You will see again the big name, right? Don't worry about this. Okay, so then what you will do, please click on the right button here anywhere, and then click on save as. Okay, then left click on save as, then go to anywhere like your desktop or somewhere you want to save the file. Okay, so then give the name of the file that you want to save, like a square 1. Okay, I give the file name a square 1. Remember please the file name and the location where you are saving it. Okay, so this time it is not saving in your cloud, remember please, it is saving in your local computer, right? So then you are giving the file name and then click on save. Then you see here in the download it has been saved. right? You can open it up, or if you go 1 year, what did you say, 1 year, on your desktop, you see here, right? I set the file as a square 1. So just if you go properties, and then you can see more clearly what time I saved it, just right now, you see. So it will show up then. So the file you can, okay, so then don't worry about it, so please. So then actually this is your program, then your program has been saved as, you can open it again from a okay, so here is my program a square. I will open it here. So but here in the, please remember that in the browser it is meaningless. Okay, so since although your program a square has been opened up here, but it is meaningless. So but what you need to do, you need to open it from your Snap browser, right? That means opening from Snap, that means you have to import it. So how you are gonna import it, I will show you. I'm taking this screen off by replacing it with a new untitled blank program. Now I will import that. Now I will click import. Okay, that I will import that program. So then where it has been set, it has been saved in the desktop. So this is my program. So then I will select it and then click on OK. You see it is coming up. Okay, yeah, so within a second, like, it has come up. So this is my program, and then I can run it, or I can run it, I can save as a different name, or now if I want to send it or email it to and someone else, then I can do that. I can, like, for the email, if I want to email it, then what I will do, then I will attach this file. I will attach this file with my email, so that anybody will I can send it to anyone else. So this is not tough enough. So I hope if you practice, then you will be able to save, open, export, import, share and publish your Snap program. Publishing means first you have to share in the cloud, then you will use your URL. Like, let us again open our shared program. Like, open, click on the open, and then cloud is square. So if you want to see unshare it, then click just unshare. Okay, I don't like to unshare. Then open. You see the program is opening. Okay, so click here, look at that. Once you open a shared program, it will show in the address bar your username and the project name. So then you can copy it, and you can send it to us or someone else. That's it. So hope you will enjoy Snap programming. Thank you so much.